Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel guys. If you're new here, this is Ruby Bharti and today I am going to share with you a homemade peel off mask remedy. So let's get started. Hey guys, इस peel off mask के लिए हमें 3 चीज़ों की ज़रूरत है: फेस वॉश, टिश्यू पेपर्स एंड एग. I am going to clean my face with the help of my regular face wash, which is Attitude Be Bright face wash. हे गाइस, जब तक मैं अपना फेस क्लीन कर रही हूँ फेस वॉश से, तब तक आप मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. After this some more massage, I will clean my face with the plain water. Now I am going to apply egg white on my face. First of all my nose, and after that take some tissue paper and apply on that. See, like that. Apply some more egg white and apply more tissue papers. Cover the all face. See, like that. Yes, like this. Apply some more egg whites all over face guys, and tissue covered by tissue paper. Yes, like this. I'm showing you step by step guys. Also cover your forehead too, like that. Sorry, I've done some mistakes. See guys. And this is my mustache. And this is my beard. Jokes apart guys. After the complete of process, we have to wait for 30 minutes and remove like that. See, I am showing you how to remove it. See guys. Yeah, complete. See guys. See the result guys. Bye bye.